Can we measure animal intelligence? A chimpanzee performs better than humans at memory. A jellyfish with no brain can learn. A crow makes tools better than most mammals. What does intelligent actually mean? Let's see them in 7 levels. Level 1. Simple automatic responses. Caribbean box jellyfish. No brain. Only 24 eyes and nerve network. 2023. University of Copenhagen. Current biology. Scientists trained box jellyfish to avoid obstacles. The jellyfish learned in minutes. Changed swimming after only a few collisions. This requires receiving sensory information, remembering for seconds to minutes, changing behavior. 0 neurons organized into a brain. Brittle stars, starfish relatives, also no brain. 2011. Duke University. Scientists trained them with classical conditioning. Paired darkness with food. After training, brittle stars came out when lights turned off. Similar to Pavlov's dog experiment. Level 1 shows intelligence exists on a scale. Begins at can respond to experience. Does not require has a brain. Level 2, basic learning and memory, goldfish. Many believe goldfish remember only 3 seconds. Completely false. Scientists trained goldfish to recognize shapes, press levers, remember these skills for months. Poison dart frogs use spatial memory through rainforests. Remember pool locations for tadpoles. What separates level 2? Problem solving through trial and error. Memory works but limited. Exception, Rossi fish carry hard-shelled prey to rocks. Hit shells against rocks. Use rock as tool to open food. Tool use in a fish. But no fish passed mirror self-recognition test. Intelligence without self-awareness. Level 3, medium-level intelligence. Reptiles. Scientists once believed reptiles were machines with only automatic responses. 2015. Duke University. Tropical anole lizards solved novel food puzzles as quickly as birds. Remembered solutions day to day. When scientists changed rules, lizards adapted. Flexibility, problem solving, memory across days. Giant tortoises remembered trained tasks 9 years later. Biggest surprise, crocodiles. Mugger crocodiles and alligators balance sticks on noses during bird nesting season. Birds need sticks for nests. Birds approach, crocodile attacks, tool use, planning, predicting future opportunity. This proves reptiles are not simple machines, but no reptile recognizes itself in mirrors. Level 4, higher intelligence in mammals. Dogs. Border Collie Chaser learned 1,022 words, could fetch any named object, understood simple grammar. Take ball and paw ball cause different behaviors, but dogs fail mirror tests. Use smell for identification, not vision. Pigs. 2021 study. Scientists trained 4 pigs to play video games with joystick. Pigs moved cursor on screen to hit targets. All 4 performed much better than random chance. Understood cause and effect. Pigs use mirrors to find hidden food, but do not recognize reflection as themselves. If you enjoy learning about animal intelligence, subscribe for more discoveries. Level 4 mammals, trainable, social, emotional, solve complex problems, but lack higher abilities, no self-awareness, limited future planning. Level 5, advanced problem solving, New Caledonian crow. Crow named Betty faced problem, food inside tube, could not reach it. Scientists gave her straight wire. Betty bent wire, created hook, pulled out food. Scientists did not train her. She invented this. Crows solve Aesop's fable test. Water level too low to reach floating treat. Crows drop stones into tube, raises water. They get treat. Understood cause and effect at level of 5 to 7-year-old humans. Crow memory, excellent. Remember individual human faces for years. Teach other crows which humans are dangerous. Eurasian magpies, crow family, passed mirror test. Recognized themselves. Tried to remove marks only visible in mirrors. First, non-mammal showing self-recognition. Parrots. African gray Alex learned 100+ words, used words correctly, counted to 6, understood 0, asked, how many blue toys? With 3 blue and 3 green. Alex answered 3. Goffin's cockatoos solved 5-step puzzle boxes. One worked over 2 hours. Level 5 birds compete with primates, make tools, solve complex puzzles. Some show self-awareness. Walnut-sized brains, extremely high neuron density, efficiency over size. Level 6, complex intelligence. Elephants. Female leaders remember waterhole locations across tens of kilometers and decades. recognize calls of 100+ different individuals even after years. 2006. Scientists placed mirror before Asian elephant Happy, painted white X on forehead. Happy could only see mark in mirror. Happy touched mark repeatedly, used mirror to examine it. Self-recognition. Only humans, great apes, dolphins, magpies, and elephants pass this test. Elephants cooperate on purpose, pairs given rope. Both must pull simultaneously for food. If one arrived early, it waited. Show empathy, comfort distressed elephants. Examine bones of dead elephants with apparent sadness. Dolphins. Every bottlenose dolphin has unique whistle, works like a name. One dolphin recognized recorded whistle of another dolphin it lived with 20 years earlier. Australian dolphins use sea sponges as tools. Wear on noses to protect from sharp rocks while foraging. Mothers teach daughters. Cultural transmission. Dolphins passed mirror test. Recognize themselves. Inspect marks using reflections. Dolphins show self-directed mirror behavior at 7 months. Humans at 12 to 18 months. Self-awareness earlier than humans. Level 6 animals. Excellent memories, complex communication, tool use, empathy, grief, self-awareness. Level 7. Highest non-human intelligence. Chimpanzees. Scientists documented 300+ different tool use behaviors. Make sticks to catch termites. Use stone hammers for nuts. Sharpen sticks into spears for hunting. Different communities have unique tool cultures. Learned socially and transmitted. Ayumu from opening demonstrated memory better than any human tested. Scientists flash 9 numbers for 210 milliseconds. Ayumu remembers perfect order. Humans consistently fail. Santino collected weapons before visitors arrived. Calm when collecting. Threw them later when angry. Scientists called this clear evidence of future planning. Predicted his own emotional state. Prepared for it. Thinking about thinking. Chimpanzees show theory of mind. Lower-ranking chimps choose food. Higher-ranking chimps cannot see. Understand what others know. Deceive. Give false alarm calls to distract from food. Deception requires understanding others have minds that can be fooled. Chimpanzee Washoe learned 200+ signs in American Sign Language. Bonobo Kanzi learned 3,000+ spoken English words. Responded correctly to new sentences. Put the soap in the water. Understood syntax. Word order creates meaning. All great apes pass mirror tests. Recognize themselves. Use mirrors to groom parts they cannot normally see. Experience grief. Mothers carry dead infants for days. Reconcile after fights. Hug and kiss. Hunt in coordinated groups. Some drive prey, others ambush. Each has role. Level 7 represents highest level. Tool creation, complex social behavior, language understanding, self-awareness, planning, understanding other minds. But here is what challenges the ranking system. Intelligence is not a single line from low to high. Intelligence has different types. Crows make tools better than dogs, but dogs understand human gestures better than crows. Ayumu's memory exceeds human capacity, but humans invented writing. Dolphins have self-awareness, but cannot manipulate objects on land. Octopuses live only 1 to 2 years. They solve complex puzzles, escape tanks, open jars, recognize individual humans, then die after breeding. All that intelligence disappears in 2 years. Elephants have extraordinary memory and empathy, but do not make tools. Parrots understand 0 and count to 6, but most fail mirror tests. The 7 levels are not a hierarchy from worst to best. They are categories of different specialized abilities. Evolution does not create general intelligence. Evolution creates abilities that help animals survive in their specific environments. Jellyfish need to avoid collisions. Evolution gave them simple learning. No brain necessary. Crows need to extract food from difficult places. Evolution gave them tool making and excellent memory. Elephants need to track more than 100 individuals across decades. Evolution gave them social intelligence and long-term memory. Chimpanzees need to manage relationships and change their environment. Evolution gave them understanding of other minds and hand skills. Humans needed to cooperate in very large groups and share knowledge across generations. Evolution gave us language and symbolic thinking. Intelligence is a collection of different abilities. Different species have different abilities. A jellyfish with no brain can learn. A crow is better than primates at making tools. A chimpanzee performs better than humans at memory. An elephant experiences grief. A dolphin has a name. Intelligence includes recognizing patterns, memory, planning, empathy, communication, tool use, self-awareness, flexibility, Innovation. Different animals excel in different areas. Humans are not at the top of a ladder. We are part of a group. Each species is intelligent in its own way. Subscribe to learn more about animal intelligence. If you could have one ability from any animal in this video, Ayumu's perfect memory, the crow's tool-making skills, or the elephant's empathy, which would you choose and why? Let us know in the comments below.